Hello and welcome. I developed this website some years ago, but because of the design that I used and the way I structured my code, it has become difficult to maintain. So I'm going to develop together with you a brand new fantasy website from scratch, and we are going to use the latest technologies to achieve this. We are going to use JavaScript as the main programming language, and to make it easier to achieve this, we are going to use a framework, and this framework is called Vue Js. On top of Vue Js, we are going to use Vuetify, which is a reusable component framework for Vue Js. The objective mostly is not to develop the fantasy website, but to help you understand in detail how you can achieve this using modern technologies. We are going to save any files that will be used in this project in Firebase storage, and other types of data we are going to save them in the Firestore database. Once the project is complete, we are going to upload it to Firebase hosting, and we are also even going to create a custom domain for it. We are going to get the statistics that we'll be using in the project from the Fantasy Premier League website. So this data will be live. You will be able to get live statistics, live updates as the games are being played. So it's going to be quite interesting for you as a developer to see even how you can stream live data to your website. We might integrate some machine learning in the website, but this will only happen if the channel is performing well in the future. My decision on whether I will record machine learning videos will depend on the number of people that are following me and how interactive they are during the development period. At the moment, this is the beginning of the project, but for me to start posting videos, I must know that there are people who are interested in the project. I'm looking for 100 people so that I can start the project. So this is how we are going to make the count of the number of people that are interested. First, I must have 100 likes on this video so that I can move forward, and I must have more than 30 comments on this video. It's not because I want to market myself using this approach, but as you know, it's a lot of work to make nice videos, and if there's no one who is watching them, I would prefer to just do the programming in the background as opposed to wasting a lot of time doing videos and no one is interested in them. So like, comment. I would also expect you to turn on the notification bell. It is on the top right side. Since this is an ongoing project, you always want to know when a new video for the project is released. There's no other way that you can find out about this unless you put the notification button on. Also subscribe so that in case you forget the name of the channel, at least you'll go to the channels that you have subscribed to and you will be able to find my channel. The name of the channel is Better Media, youtube.com/Better Media. Then you can go to playlist. After that, you can continue from where you left in any previous session. Before we continue, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel so that you are able to trace it in case you forget the name of the channel. Make sure you put a notification so that you can know when my first video for this project is released. Let us meet in the next video as I highlight to you the tools that we'll be using for this particular project. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I'm looking forward to the next presentation.